then we'll start generating again.
Meghalaya government will soon frame an action plan to prepare the state against natural calamities. With the advent of the monsoon season soon, Minister in charge of Revenue and Disaster Management Kirmen Shilla said that a meeting will be held in the presence of the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Speaking to reporters, Shilla said that the action plan would include identifying landslide and flood-prone areas and different kinds of calamities in the state. Meanwhile, the minister said that the department is also planning to speed up all compensation to victims of natural calamities.
Innocent life previously, so this time we will try. I cannot assure that after doing this nothing will happen, but at least by having a plan, at least we can protect and we can save few lives. So because natural calamities nobody can predict, and how much strain will be there. So for that we have to all we can say is that be alert, and then we will work whichever possibilities to save the life of our innocent.
The Voice of the People Party VP